How do I know if someone received my Zelle payment? Ever sent a Zelle payment and wondered, did it go through? Or maybe you've been expecting a Zelle payment and are curious about its status. Zelle has become a popular way to send and receive money quickly and easily. But sometimes, things can go awry. In this video, we'll dive into the various methods you can use to check if your Zelle payment has been received. Method 1. Check your Zelle app. Step by step. Open the Zelle app on your device. Navigate to your transaction history. Locate the specific payment you're inquiring about. Look for a status update. If the payment was successful, you'll typically see a green check mark or a similar indication. Visual aid: show a screen recording or images of the Zelle app's transaction history screen, highlighting the status indicator. Method 2. Confirm with the recipient. Direct communication: the most straightforward way is to reach out to the recipient directly. Ask them if they've received the payment. Benefits: this method provides immediate confirmation and can help resolve any issues promptly. Method 3. Review your bank statement. Bank records: if you're still unsure, check your bank statement. The Zelle payment should appear as a transaction. Timing: note that it might take a few days for the transaction to reflect on your statement, especially if the recipient's bank is different from yours. Method 4. Contact Zelle customer support. Last resort: if the previous methods haven't yielded results, contact Zelle customer support. They can provide you with specific information about the status of your payment. Contact information: share the relevant contact information for Zelle customer support. Common issues and solutions. Payment pending: if the payment is still pending, it might be due to various reasons, such as insufficient funds in the sender's account or technical glitches. Incorrect recipient information: double-check that you entered the correct recipient's email address or phone number. Network connectivity: ensure that you have a stable internet connection when using Zelle. Security: always prioritize security when using Zelle or any other digital payment method. Avoid sharing your personal information with anyone you don't know. Zelle limits: familiarize yourself with Zelle's daily and weekly transfer limits. Troubleshooting: if you encounter any issues, refer to Zelle's Help Center or briefly summarize the different methods to check the status of a Zelle payment. Encourage viewers to share the video with others who might find it helpful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.